Just a short video, guys. Just a short video. Check out this rainstorm in the mountains right in front of me here. I don't have the mic hooked up, so you may get a little road noise. Let's see if I can give you a better shot of it there. Is that neat? Yeah, I'm headed to Oliver Lee State Park, and Oliver Lee is just a little off to the left, but isn't that neat though? Never seen anything like that, raining in the mountains like that. That music you hear is I'm on hold for UPS on the other phone. I've been on hold for about 15 minutes. Boy, customer service is non-existent, man. Totally gone. It tests your sanity when you're dealing with these voice recognition systems. The first available customer service representative. That's what I'm waiting on. But isn't that a neat rainstorm right there? It's cool, isn't it? Let's see if I can turn around a bit. Neato mosquito, huh? I know it's crappy on the volume, but you don't need for the volume. This is visual. You know, when it rains in those mountains like that, that's where the flash floods come from. When it's just a downpour in the mountains and all that water's got to go somewhere, those little creeks and canyons fill up quick. And if you're in one, adios amigo. I mean, you know, when they say flash floods out here or anywhere like Colorado, they mean it. Weird, huh? You can listen to the road noise. That'll be your music. Isn't that UPS on hold crap? I was talking to Amazon, trying to find a drop-off point in Alamogordo to drop the package off. Can't find one.
Well, I am trying to connect the call. Please stay on the line. I am trying to connect the call, okay?
Amen. I appreciate your help. I know what you're going through. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
That's Amazon support trying to contact UPS to find out where a drop-off location is. If Amazon can't get through to them, you can imagine what chance you've got. So see, right now there's two people. Well, Amazon is on hold for Amazon, who's checking with UPS. It's crazy, isn't it? You think you could just do a Google search and find one? You can't. One place doesn't exist, and the other place, they say they don't take walk-in customers. What kind of customers do you take? Crawl-ins? Very important. It'll be answered by the first available agent. Very important. How many agents do you have? One? As few as they can get by with. You got to know that. But isn't that rainstorm interesting? You think I really care about this? Yeah, I do want to get this package returned, but I've got till September the 11th or 12th to get it done. So it's not like it's an emergency, right? This is the entrance to Oliver Lee State Park. The entrance road. Off to the right is BLM, Bureau of Land Management. Freebie. Free. It's not raining at the campground yet.
Yeah, I have now connected a call must be with the UPS area.
Thank you. I'm fine. Can you find me a drop-off location in Alamogordo, New Mexico? Say that again. The name of the city is Alamogordo, New Mexico, USA. Pardon me?
Can you please spell the name of the city?
Spell the name of the city. Okay, you ready? Alamogordo.
Thank you. I'm just giving you one moment, please. Generate the location for you. Location is 0.5 miles away. Stable.
Oh, no. Whoa. You say 0.5 miles away from where?
That's what I'm getting at, sir. The name of the location is Stable Ship Center.
Just a minute. Well, you're the only one that knows that. I can tell you that. Staples Shipping Center.
Center.
Do you have a yeah? What's the address?
That is 801 South White and Boulevard.
There's nothing there. I just went there. Yeah, I was sent there earlier, and I went there. There's nothing there. That's the only location you got.
Well, they have here drop-off location in UPS Center.
Well, that UPS Customer Center, I went out there, and there's nobody there. They say they don't handle walk-in customers. So that's the only two you got in Alamogordo? Or had? Pardon me?
Right, and then we have drop-off location.
Well, the only problem with the Dropbox location is the label I'm getting from Amazon. They tell me I can't drop it off at a Dropbox. That's all right. That's all right. I'll work it out. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you, sir.
You realize, guy, that after all of that, we didn't solve a damn thing? Nothing. So anyway, that's the world we live in today, and do I really care? No, it'll all work out. So now in a driving rainstorm, we're here at Oliver Lee. I gotta go to my spot. I should have taken the first right so I could back in. But I can still do it. And this is a wonderful video, guys. This is one of those, it is kind of neat though. So now we'll turn around, you'll see the rain right there. It's just kind of going over. But you know, the desert out there, all these little old plants are going, yeah, yes, thank you. You know, because they get very little, 11 inches a year here. Now, let's see, do this, Rusty. Okay, I believe I'll just kind of pull up here like this and around like this. That was kind of cute. Let me show you the rest of it. Let me back up again. Cute, huh? Anyway, I'm getting in here, guys. As soon as I get back in here, I'll end the video. I'll put it out of its misery. Oh my God, look how I'm in here, Rusty. What the fuck am I doing? My back windshield wipers going. Okay, I missed that collision. I'm not backing into my RV. Well, almost. Dang. Yeah, but now we got it did, baby. After all of that. Oh, Rusty is gonna make it in here. I mean, barely. Okay, so now let's turn this thing off. Why did that cut off? I don't know. Okay, so anyway, guys, thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye, buy anything you want, use the Amazon link, drink plenty of water, and keep your health. And enjoy the rain. It'd be a good time to go take a nap, but I've already taken a nap, so I don't need to do a nap again. Anyway, adios, guys, bye.